When I got to this hospital, it was really old and worn out. The staff was very demoralized, and it was also broke. We had 2 days of cash. I was here 2 weeks. The state showed up, surveyed us, and basically everything was out of compliance. I mean, it was a total disaster. And I walked into it. I'm a person who believes that things could be better. I like change. I like change a lot. And the place needed a lot of change. Our bank had been swallowed up multiple times by larger banks that then gobbled each other up, and they got bigger and bigger. I was unhappy with the service that we were getting. Our employees were not being treated well because we became more of a number than a person. When you're small, you work with others and you collaborate. Working with community partners. We moved all of our business to Ulster Savings Bank, every bit of it, and it's fantastic. Hey everybody, how we doing? It's not that whether or not there'll be problems, there's always going to be challenges. Things happen, that's life. It's how you respond to that. Adapt, improvise, and overcome it. And when we work with Ulster Savings Bank, that's the way they are.